Hello guys, welcome to this channel, Dekho Amar Bangladesh. Hope you are gonna like our new video. This is season 1, episode 6 on chicken biryani. So let's continue with this video. Okay, so let's continue with the ingredients. We got chopped up onions, we got green chilies, ada butter, rosun butter and all other paste we got over here. We got some salt and we got around 3 kilos of chicken. So let's start the cooking. So let's start with the fire. The fire is set up, so let's add the vessel. Hey, where's the oil, bro? We're adding the oil right now, around 250 ml. As the oil is right now in temperature, we're gonna add onions, chopped up onions. Now we are gonna add ginger paste, garlic paste. We're adding salt. We're gonna add our chickens right now. We're gonna add the water right now and wait for it. And wait for around 30 minutes. After that, we're gonna add the rice, and it's gonna be ready. It's done, complete. Just we need to add the rice. We're gonna add 1 kilo of rice, half boiled. We're gonna add around 1 kilo of rice, half boiled, and we're gonna add some green chilies. We're gonna wait for 4 or 5 additional minutes to be ready and see you after 5 minutes. So as you see, we are done. So let's give it a final mix. So as you see people done, so let's show you the serving first. So guys, as you see we are done with the great dish, chicken biryani. আজকে কি লেবু চুরি করছো?
No.
Oh, লেবু চুরি করো না। মানে কিনে আনছো?
Yep.
আজকেও তুমি চপিং বোর্ড কিনে দাও না। প্রোডিউসার লাইক মানিজত খায় ফেলবা। মানে কিপটার একটা সীমা আছে। You don't want me to talk about details right now. Okay. So done. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share and like it. And also don't forget to comment. And see you next